Hello and welcome back. G-Man here. Today I'm showing my prototype for the RM&S Ring Mod and Sub generator. It has two square wave inputs for your VCOs. It will generate two sub-octaves based on the SH101 and CMOS Ring Mod based on the ARP Odyssey. I am using DNA Symbiotic Waves for input 1. Here's what that sounds like. Input 1 will generate these sub-octaves. First I will plug in the -1 sub-octave generator and the -2 octaves. And that's what you would expect. And now to produce the ring modulation, I will be using my Pittsburgh Synthesizer Box as input 2. That sounds nice and fat. CMOS Ring Mod, to me, is like Pulse Width Modulation on steroids. This module has an extra trick up its sleeve. The Ring Mod plus Sub 1 output. I feel this sudden urge to patch this through a nice analog filter. Let's use the Tonus VCF. Like this ring mod, it's all about the ARP circuitry. I'm going to use Temps Utile to fire off some decay envelopes from Bastl skis. The second CV input needs some LFO from the synthesizer box. Instead of that, I'll use some sample and hold. Good times.